Eddie. Steady Eddie Biggers, 27 years old, eh? Let's look back on your life. Bit of a hero, aren't you? Remember when you saved that cat from that tree? Meowgie, eh? Well done. And you still love football, eh? Still love friggin' American football, the Browns and the Buckeyes? You need to sort that out, man, because they're both horrible teams, both from Ohio. Couldn't think of anything worse. See my face, see this awesome moustache that I've got. Why can't you do something like that? You've got too much hair, man. It is fundamentally wrong if someone's chest hair connects to their face hair, and that's what you're doing, man. I know you're going to grow up and do something a bit more productive than playing Words with Friends on your iPhone with your lifelong friend Philip. And Eddie, do us a favour. When you get to Vegas next, hook me up because I love playing Texas Hold'em. I know you're going soon, so don't let me down, son. And one of the worst things about you of all time, you can use your belly button as a musical instrument. What sort of freak are you? And just because you're a fantastic dancer and singer does not make up for it. Anyway, February the 4th, you turn 27. Happy friggin' birthday, Eddie Biggers.